Come with me to check out the entire thermal area on board the MSC Seascape. If you are in the Yacht Club or you have an Aurea suite or you go ahead and purchase a day pass, you will have unlimited access to this area on board. Now, mind you, this is the first time I've ever been at a thermal spa myself without just being on a tour. So I had no idea what I was really getting myself into when we started. This was the vertical Nyep. You would start off, that would be cold. The next one would be hot. You would go in. Then the next one would be cold. And then the next one would be hot. I do not know the purpose of any of this. So if anybody could please tell me in the chat what that does for you, because it must have some sort of healing powers, because that's what this is all about. My guess it's good for the skin, because when I got out of this place, my skin, I felt like I was 5 years younger. But really, if you have any idea, please let me know in the comments. Next up is a cold rain shower. Now you can see up here, they tell you the temperatures of everything and what the scents are, because each one of these does carry some different types of scents that it will spray on you. I'm going to show you how this works. So first you're going to turn it on. And as you can see, it comes down pretty fast. And this does have a temperature gauge. So yes, it's a cold rain shower, but you can actually make it warm. And then if you press the other button, it's going to spray a scent at you. This one was lemon. Next, here is the jacuzzi. And the downside, I would say, in this whole area was that there was only 3 thermal beds. This is the dark steam room, which is the one I preferred. It's very nice in here. It's very hot and humid. These shower heads have cold water in case you need to cool off a little bit. Next up, we're going into the snow room. Now, I did not realize that my camera was probably a little steamy going from the steam room into the snow room, so this looks a little foggy. Bench where you can sit down. Can't stand here too long, it gets cold. But yeah, it's beautiful. There are 2 saunas. One is a soft sauna and one is a Finnish classical sauna. Feels nice in here. This will cure your aching bones. Storm shower with Scots pine and with the lemon again. There is plenty of these lounging areas, but they are not thermal beds. I have a warm breeze shower, which is still on. And then this one's warm. And then the bucket of cold ice water. I couldn't do that one. Would you do that one? It also has its own outdoor area. Let's check it out. Nobody out here. Wow, it's nice out here actually. It's feeling kind of chilly. There's a hot jacuzzi. There's an outdoor whirlpool and an outdoor shower, rain shower as well. There's the hall of all the delights. This is the salt room. It did have some music playing in here. Now, this is an experience we would have never, ever paid for before, but now I think since we have tried it, we might try it again. How about you? Have you ever had a thermal pass on a cruise ship before?